This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials: an unlocked phone, Wi-Fi, and the Jetpac code or QR. First, purchase the plan and keep the code or QR visible. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi and open Settings, then Cellular or Mobile Data. Choose Add Cellular Plan. This step starts the secure transfer of the eSIM profile to your device, which is faster than waiting for a physical SIM and avoids carrier delays. You'll now install and configure the profile. When prompted, scan the Jetpac QR or paste the activation code. The phone downloads the profile automatically. Make sure to label it so you recognize it and decide if it will be your primary or secondary line. Then enable data roaming for the eSIM and set which line handles cellular data, calls, and SMS. These choices ensure apps use the correct connection without disrupting your main number. Finish by restarting your phone to finalize carrier settings, then confirm you see signal bars and can browse. Test with a quick web page or speed check. If you don't get data, toggle airplane mode, reselect the Jetpac eSIM as active for data, and verify APN settings in cellular options. If problems persist, reinstall the eSIM from the activation code or contact Jetpac with your order ID so they can confirm activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.